on the Eve. Dahil doon nga naman sila mas nagkakaroon ng limitations for
Wakokop
Liquid.
mix,
And
bro,
it also
dating.
helps kasi isa sa mga parang nating key strengths talaga ng Falcons so far. Yung talagang pagkaka-establish nila ng box nila. And I think that was something that they attempted to do but clearly failed because of how well Liquid have manipulated the beginning of that game. But instead of the Eve pick, Suyuklod.
Suyuklod. Alright, so instead of Suyu Eve, it's going to be Suyuklod still the same.
Jangan deh.
Pero
Kasi
saan
nggak bisa
pick
kayak
up
gitu,
the
John.
Eve? That's the question.
Jangan guys.
Meron pa rin chance na kumuha ng Fred rin dito.
Jangan.
Damage na rin kasi yung DXP nila. But this will be under the impression.
Di atas kan itu masih ada yang ketiga, kocak.
And Fred rin na kanilang
Itu masih ada yang ketiga.
Talagang nilang mag-Esmeralda ang Falcons.
Belum ban, bro.
I really think this should be an Esmeralda.
Belum
third
ban,
pick.
sabar lah. Ini kan masih ada yang ketiga. Kalau nggak Esme di ban soalnya sama TLPH. Nggak mungkin gua kokop mic, bro. Santai aja.
Wala na silang gold laner. They could not potentially
Nih,
pick
lihat
up the
nih.
carry anymore. If any,
Esme nih.
encourage pa nga nila again, as you said, because of the Harith pick yung Esmeralda
Esme.
pick up.
Yeah.
So with
Esme, udah. Gak usah banyak mikir lah.
expect that.
Esme lo, bantu gua.
Diba?
Esme, gak usah suksin. Esme.
Idea doon ay maghanap ka na ng mga malakas na
Esme, kocak!
like the Lunox for example or even the Kimi. So siguro doon manggagaling yung kanilang
Esme.
but apart from that,
Ya ampun, mikir apa itu? Ada Harit, ada Pokito.
Kinuha siya na agad natin. There is the
Okay.
Esmeralda as we did expect. Talagang alam mo yung nararamdaman ko dito para sa TLPH, alam nila na Esmeralda na yung pick kasi hindi posible na mag-pick ka ng Pakito at as well as Harith nang hindi mo iniisip yung Esmeralda na pwedeng sagot ng kalaban mo. So, I think the answer for the Esmeralda will come from the mid lane. Somewhere along the lines of Akimi and kung sakali.
Makan tuh ya, ha? Makan tuh yang mau kokop gua ya. Menang gua, bujang inang.
Possible bans here para sa Falcons.
Last time I checked, yung stats din natin would say na Lunox was only picked once in this entire season and that was only from Lancy. So, hindi na natin siya nakita lumabas ulit. And Falcons
Lah, hoki, kagak hoki, jir. Memang basic draftnya kayak gitu dari dulu. Ini zaman namanya tanpa Quito, guys. Counternya Esme. Come on, man. Lu tuh tinggal menempatkan diri lu itu di season-season sebelumnya waktu zamannya gua main Pokito. Sudah pasti Esme janda, guys.
So siguro ang way nila para sagutin yung Esmeralda.
Cuma ada hero-hero baru aja, Suyo, gitu-gitu doang.
Parang dun sa mga rotation.
Sisanya
Kasi
all the
naman,
same, guys.
In fairness with the Esmeralda, mahina siya in the first 8 minutes of the game. Hindi pa siya ganun ka hirap i-deal with. But
Draft
then,
sudah tidak
dumating
perlu
at
dibawa
least
pusing,
nandun na siya
guys.
magiging problema. So siguro ganun yung magiging sagutin ng TLPH. And how do they achieve that? Have a strong mid. Hilda and Jushin yung pwede nilang kunin or the Khalid plus the Jushin para mataas yung kanilang kanilang early game potential. So Falcons might just go for the Hilda ban as their last ban o kaya naman yung Jushin. Or the Khalid, I mean. There is the Khalid. So Hilda yung matitira dito para sa TLPH.
Yeah, they'll leave it open. I was also thinking about the Hilda because even though may shields din yan,
Ben Valen.
expect mula sa kanya, ay ito naman yung, kumbaga,
Ben Valen, kalau nggak diambil sama Falcon.
Something that really enabled them to go for that.
Draft tuh gampang, guys. Gini aja nih. Ini TLPH nggak ngambil nggak Ben Valen. Falcon ambil Valen.
Okay.
So I think this is Kimi and Hilda.
Valen.
Kung ganito yung banning. Pero meron ding angulo nung
Valen.
Selena.
Gampang banget, cuy.
Mr. Sanji. I'm thinking Kimi, tapos Selena.
Ada ya kesusahan sama draft ya?
There is still the argument for the Zushin. However,
Valen, gak usah banyak mikir, Valen.
Flex pick dito. Pwede sila yung mag-Hilda,
Oh,
actually.
yeah.
Para
Tanknya
nakawin nila
nanti
dito.
aja di last week.
At the
Valen
same time,
dulu.
There's the high loss that they can also pick up. But the benefit for the Hilda, nakita naman natin na pwede siyang
Yung judul, ya.
XP at roam. Pero this time kasi may Esme na sila.
Yes.
Valen.
Nakawin yung Zushin.
Okay. Now I'm thinking if willing din sila na hayaan na lang ang Hilda, the
Yeah.
glue option for Ogun is also still
That's right.
available. So I think that will also be a potentially great response if ever they do proceed with the Hilda.
I think Hylos Kimi yung best answer dito para sa TLPH. So what you achieve from the Hylos is yung Glorious Pathway, so hindi kayo masuslow down, makakapiglas kayo dun sa Zushin. And additionally, yung makukuha mong damage from the Kimi, eventually magiging enough siya against Esmeralda. At maganda pa sa Kimi, strong lane siya up against Zushin. Right? So I feel like this is the answer for TLPH. Siguro yung outlier dito is Hylos plus the Selena. And the glue as well.
Oh, they get the glue.
And the Gord pa rin. Interesting.
Okay.
So this leaves them susceptible sa Hilda from Ogwen. Especially because they just picked up this Gord. So parang pwede nilang constantly guluhin dito.
I can only imagine kung ano ang magiging stress na pagdadaanan mo with the Esmeralda.
Cuma buat
Potentially
entertain.
trying to always
Salah
break
tapi
your
bisa buat
formations.
menghibur
As
kalian
considering
gitu
that
loh.
they've picked up this board,
Membuat
which is,
orang
again,
tersenyum
a
dan
very
tertawa
positionally
itu
reliant mid laner.
sebuah
You have all
hal yang
these rivalry
indah.
heroes
Gue tuh
that
sengaja
Falcons
salah
have
guys.
picked
Kalau
up
misalnya
so
gue pengen
far.
serius, gue jawabnya Zuxin. Iya nggak Pak?
This is so interesting.
Iyalah.
Kasi parang,
Lu pun udah bisa predik kan?
Sa damage
Iya.
ng TLPH sa kanilang mga windows of opportunity.
Oh!
Okay. What is that? That is...
Padang.
Oh, okay. So, di ko kasi kita from
Gitu loh, guys.
But it's the badang.
Jadi kita tuh memang harus membuat orang-orang tuh
is
ketawa
generally good versus
agar
the Gord.
moodnya
Alam mo,
bagus.
Ito ata
Gitu ya.
ang game na maipapanalo ng Falcons from the early up until the late
Eh,
game. I think
geser,
their
geser.
draft is
Salting
complete.
guys.
Wala yata masyadong makakahawak dito sa Esmeralda. The only threat is the Gord in the early stages para sa Falcons, but they have the match for that one. So, I'm gonna give this game to
Kita lihat ya combo Fredrin Gordnya guys. Keluar nih TLPH nih.
Guess you would really
Game pertama Gordnya di ban soalnya nih. Gordnya si Sanji.
So naririnig ko na.
Kita lihat ya se-OP
ang
apa
side
combo
ng
Fredrin dan juga
Falcons.
Gord guys.
Excited
Itu doang
na
sih
ba
yang pengen
kayo
gua
for
lihat.
Game number 2.
Harusnya mereka geraknya bareng terus ya nih.
Paano naman ang Cavalry? Ipato na natin sa ating mga casters.
Here we go, game 2 upon us. Team Falcons got smacked in the face in game 1. This draft, I have to agree, should be able to go ahead
Let's see,
and
let's
solidify a
see.
win here in game 2.
Babi kantor
And I
bola.
have to say it too, man. As a Gord main, yeah,
Tuh
I'm
emblem
a little
fighter
scared
kan
of this
Sanford
lineup
guys.
that
Udah
Team
pasti
Falcons
guys.
Yeah, theory on paper very good. Double support emblem, you get one of the XP, one of the Badang, so they get way.
Tahu kan itu emblem ada di mana guys?
Reduction at the same time, shields for
Di sana, guys.
themselves.
Ooh, that right there.
Good aggression in the mid by Ogren and Haji, knowing that they have the prio. But then how
Sepatu
well will
Festival of
Falcons
Blood,
fare
Quantum
for
Charge.
Turtle 1-2? Because that's
Emblemnya.
where they got Trump in the last one. If they do better then yeah, they
Nah
can
kita lihat nih Sanford lawan Esme guys. Kemarin sih Pokito. Wih,
Kyle come through, force flicker out of 2 here.
kemarin sih Pokitonya siapa itu yang dipegang apa pelatih Kirk ya. Susah. Nah kita lihat ya ke Sanford deh.
Gets away with it too.
Oh, and
Yeah,
got,
and he got that.
got that too.
That's not good if you're Team Falcons. They spent way too much time
Yes.
trying to mirror what Carl Teasy was just doing freely, right?
Yeah.
You can see that kind of minor delay is going to have an effect on Kyle for now.
Which is why I thought that after that Golem invade, Kyle would go to his own Lizard so that when he could clear Lizard, get Orange, then get Beetle, that's when he'll hit level 4. But, well, he decided to turn his rotation around. Then again, the Turtles spawning here. Still not that much dire straits here for Falcons. Let's just see if Kyle will be able to hit level 4 with this Lizard take.
Mas tuh pakai Terra rasa apa?
Yeah, he
Lagi
should be
nyobain
good.
yang ini.
He'll be okay for the first turtle. And, you know, part of
Black
this again
Ruby.
is playing into the fact that that's why there's 3 Purifies over here for Team Falcons.
Oke kita lihat. Turtle pertama di sini.
Fights early on especially. They've got control of the first turtle. Kyle will work on that while the rest of TL is in the zone. Carl Teasy will go ahead and walk up on this Fredrin.
Belum level 4 Sanjinya.
Sanford taking that wide brush to the right. Quick knock up onto JP. Oh,
Waduh.
the turtle. And now JP
Waduh.
running away very low. Crimson Beacon.
Kayak game 1 dan game 2 perhitungan junglernya.
Carl with a fade away.
Wah gila itu Sanjinya bro.
Taken down, but Kyle gets
Langsung saja Mas Valdi.
Marco early rotation, blazing to it
Duko,
underneath
kopi,
tier
bener,
1.
kokop mie.
1 for 1, but Falcons get the turtle.
Yeah, really good there.
Kan tadi perjanjiannya yang Esmeralda, Bang Cua, Bang Cua.
Falcons will be able to get the
Kokopiknya
turtle.
kan yang Esmeralda, udah
Got to
bener.
balance it out. The EXP lane flap had to rush the Dreadnought armor because he is backing the support emblem. It's good, but the bad thing is you're not as tanky. You're very squishy. You get faster shields, but the Paquito can delete it.
Whoa! Speaking of,
What's terlalu jauh nggak sih Sanford kalau kayak gitu mah?
from Falcons as Ogwin takes down 40.
I'm glad to see the Badang in action here in the hands of Ogren, who suffered
Insting
a whole lot
Pokito menyeramkan
in
begitu
game 1.
guys.
Now he's up 2-0, helping the tempo with this lineup from Team Falcons as they continue.
Oh, Flap right on Carl
PR banget kan
Teasy's
Esme
face.
ini.
He knows how to play against this Fredrin. Appraiser's Wrath, but still Flap wants more.
Yeah, just sending him back. Kyle will be able to get the Beetle here. Carl still makes it to his orange. So looking at the draft picture, wait, Ogwen.
Ogwin,
Oh no.
mounted by Daddy JP, flickers back, some shields, keeping him topped up. He's taking Daddy JP all the way.
Shieldnya tebal banget itu ya. Skill 1,
Now
nyos.
Ogwin gets a shield, survives. Crimson Beacon from Haji. Flap dancing around. JP will live.
Yeah, he knows he can survive, so that's why JP just went all the way there. He still had his flicker. 25 seconds until the next turtle. Kyle needs to regen some health, get his own buffs down. Carl TZ. I think you have to watch.
Thank you Bojan udah share live ya.
And the placements of Haji on this Juicin. My eyes are on the two mid laners.
Akhirnya pakai Claude kalah.
Well, of course, watch out since it is spawning closer to the gold lane.
Iya ya, TLPH doang ya.
Joining the fray could become a big 5v5.
Kagak peduli sama Claude dia anjir, dilawan sama dia guys.
Again, I know for international viewers that's in Filipino, but what he did mention is that there's no way for TL that they draft those first, heroes that they had in the first phase that are so shielded.
Sabar belum nih combo Fred dan Gordnya nih.
Is the Gord the plan to go ahead and help deal with this? Is there something else to deal with Flap? Before you answer that, here's the fight.
Kyle jumps onto Sanji. Sanji brings out the ordnance. Gushing through. Carl secures the turtle, but Sanji falls. Kyle gets him. And there's a wall put up, a crack. And
Masih
Kyle
selamat kah?
barely
Buset,
gets that
datang
away, but
Sanford nih.
Sanford finishes the job. Liquid are pushing Falcons once again.
Huh?
Fight goading them into
Yeah.
more aggression.
Yeah, to answer your question, Team Liquid Philippines definitely gave that, knowing that they'd be going up against an Esmeralda. It's just, if you look at the firepower of Liquid, there's a lot. That despite you being able to make a lot of shields as an Esme, the only
Mas
other thing
Padil,
that's stopping
Mas
Sanford
Faldi ya, bukan Mas Padil, kocak.
But the Bataan also has to mark, well,
Ada donet apa? Gue matiin tadi karena banyak judul tuh.
in some ways,
Kenapa?
but mainly the Fredrin, that it's not like
Gak
the
bisa pakai lagu,
Esmeralda
Mas.
game they had against Onyx Philippines.
Restream pakai lagu.
Just a little bit easier for Sanford
Restream
to
pakai lagu.
with the angles that he's approaching from.
Coba ya.
This is another thing too. Both gold laners have essentially been able to go ahead and do what they need to. They're neck and neck in terms
Aneh
of
banget,
partner.
anjing,
We'll see how
stres
they
lu.
play in part here. Because especially for Super Marco, he's got his DHS, he can be there for the next turn.
Stres.
As we see this breakout. But another thing too for Team Falcons is this is that lineup, similar to what we were saying, where that lineup in game one, they should have played, maybe a little bit slow, but they just didn't get a chance to. Well, this, I feel like they're keeping the pace under control against Team Liquid. And that's the best case scenario for them with this kind of lineup. It's just more so also.
Kyle gets caught up.
Perfect.
2 lawan 3 bro di sini. Kita lihat. Masih tebal banget.
Crimson Beacon. Carl TZ dashes back. Close call. Not much from Falcons here. They're not gonna force it.
Yeah, they know they couldn't force it because they didn't have the minion waves.
Oh, the gosh right on Ogwin's face.
Wah, itu loh kombonya guys.
Master gets slain.
Itu loh kombonya.
Did they not expect that there would be
Keluar bro kombonya bro.
They just committed a big 4-man. Most teams already know that there are going to be bodies. I know he was checking.
Kagak gerak. Full burst damage bro.
Problem, right? This is
Hilang Ogwen.
about is the amount of crowd control that you have. And again, you have Fear Fines, but if your flicker is gone, Ogwen gets punished. So what that results to is the last
Habis.
go in the hands of Team Liquid. The gold lead's going to shift, although it is just pretty minuscule. It's nothing too big, but TL, you'll see them start to go ahead and put pressure on the side of jungle for Team Falcons up to this point. Flap and Kyle, though, they
Cir masih berani nih di defense ya Mas Sanford.
Looking for that
Buset.
surge. It looks like
Harusnya mati sih guys. Teman-temannya ngelakuin sesuatu soalnya di atas ya.
Max range on that gush and all this
Nah
while.
itu loh. Kalau teman-temannya sedang melakukan sesuatu di atas, lebih baik bawah ngalah daripada lu hilang turret plus lu mati guys ya. Ruginya double. Karena bawah tetap bakal hancur ya. Tuh lihat bawah tuh.
Round 2 in mid.
Udah lu mati,
Ogwin puts up a wall.
hancur
JP
turretnya.
hell-bent on getting a mount. There's a crack. JP flickers back.
Itu sering banget dilakukan sama pro player guys. Greedy
Kyle
namanya.
go ahead and knock that down, man. They spent a lot of time at trying to get that objective. They will end up opening up the map a little bit, but also
Kursormu
outside,
mengganggu
look
ya,
what
sorry.
happened. Right, their tier 2 took some damage. They
Lu
pretty
siapa
much
ngatur,
mirror what TL is.
Gua ngasih tahu kocak, bukan ngatur kocak. Kalau nggak mau ya sudah. Mati aja lu mati itu di tower 1 tuh nggak apa-apa.
We put our rotations more, and where's more important for Team Falcons?
Yeah, what's annoying right now for Falcons is if you, we actually have numbers here with total damage dealt, damage taken, very even in the gold, close enough. It's the total control time, 45 seconds for Team Liquid so far, just 23 for Falcons. So that extra amount of control that Liquid has is what's giving a lot of difficulty for Falcons in the fight.
Yeah.
It still could be brought closer, not that far off in terms of the gold. but they need to see if they can start getting more gold on this Juicin specifically. Because
Tapi hal-hal kecil kayak gitu buat TLPM udah cuma di remind doang paling guys.
Without any warning, a volley right in Marco's face. They catch Ogwin, force the flicker out of him. And now he answers with a crack.
Mas There's No Limit main jam berapa? Nggak tahu.
Will finish the job.
Kagak tahu gua.
And there's a trade 1-for-1.
Good trade. They deal with that at least, but this is going to be a problem trying to work against all these amount of crowd controls and stuns that TL has.
Whoop! Flap here, caught in the crowd control, and there it is, another gush.
Gila damage-nya bro, lu lihat bro itu.
That's not what Falcons was looking for.
after all of that, Liquid still has almost double the total crowd control time. 53 seconds.
So pain bro, so pain. Anjing.
They force Haji back, another Crimson Beacon wasted. Liquid are looking to secure the Lord here, down to an eighth of its health. Kyle looking to steal, goes through the back, and Carl Teasy gets that Lord to wear a Liquid.
Apakah cuma tim TLPH guys yang nge-Lord dance tidak ada ragunya sama sekali cok? Gila. Setiap mereka ngambil objektif tuh kayak kalau Kartizi udah di Lord guys. Udah cok, job dance semua jalan langsung guys. Iya gak sih? Serem banget cok ini tim. Tajam banget decisionnya guys.
Sanji will live, staying here, hiding in the Y brush. A Brazer's Rat knocks out Flap. Talking about knockouts. Sanford looking for more, forcing a defensive. Turns, but Sanford will
What the heck?
go with a blazing duet, taking down 40. There's a shutdown.
Yeah, Falcons needed to get something there because this is...
Wah, ada judol nih anjing di TikTok nih. Awas minggir lo.
That has extended up to Lord 1, with which Liquid was able to get.
Thank you, viewer, ya.
So Falcons will be able to stop this from getting any charges. Still somewhat close, but they're putting all of their eggs now on Super Marco at this point.
Yep.
Haji does have a Sky Piercer. Don't believe the graphic. That's only supposed to be one Sky Piercer. We're okay here. Don't worry. That's not two. There's not a new build you don't know about. But it seems like the drafting philosophy of Liquid for this series is just pack a lot of crowd control against a team that has a really good team fight. They've respected Falcons' ability to fight. What they showed off against Onyx, and they realized we can just bring back an old favorite. Spam Fredrin, pair it up with even more crowd control, damage EXP, old school favorite in the Paquito, and which is why this was an important match for Falcons to, a game for Falcons to win. Because if they want this, then they're thinking already, okay, we still have an answer to Paquito. If even after the Esmeralda, even after the Badang, they still cannot take out the Paquito, then they have to start committing bans to take it away from Sanford.
Oke, itu berarti itemnya udah fix ya. Hunter Strike si Halbert Wings guys. Damage-nya gede. Sustain juga karena ada wingsnya. Boleh tuh. Lumayan guys, kita dapat sesuatu nih dari Sanford yang notabene udah the best XP in the world guys itu. Si Halbert, Hunter Strike, si Halbert Wings ya.
It's so surprising to see.
Udah itu kalian bikin pistol, udah itu kalian bikin Oracle. So, main full penet dan juga cooldown.
Another gush comes through, taking down Ogwin, just like that. Kyle Teasy can't even sniff his purple.
And Ogwin knew that he didn't need to commit his ultimate there to try and salvage that. It would have been too difficult for Falcons to take that fight. Marco, ouch.
All right, shield's gonna pop here. Down on the bottom side again. TL now it's 4,000 ahead for them. And it seems like Team Falcons is in that same situation that they were in Game 1, where
best
it's like
XP in the world.
They just have to respond
Sanford.
to TL. You
Of course, bro.
The pressure on
Juara
wherever they
M-Series
decide
ini.
to. How do you get around these projectiles? How do you get around those little mini crowd controls that this lineup that TL has?
Oh, it's even tough to say because you
Lord Spawn kita lihat di sini yang manjangin landing atas siapa? Harusnya Paquito kan?
It's a cop out, but play better. Out execute them.
Atasnya udah bagus, Lord langsung disentuh nggak nih sama TLPH nih? Lagi unggul sampai 4.000 nih.
It's just how do you execute that when the other team is just so good at it?
Kyle is so far off.
Dihajar ini, dia tahu badannya di kiri cok. Dihajar cok.
Flap and Haji.
Oh,
Flap here, gonna get taken down. Very,
Gila,
very
ini tim,
quickly.
Cok.
Crimson Beacon by Haji.
Gila ini lagi dua nih. Lawan Sanford kewalahan cok. Masih ada wings itu Sanford.
Flickers back.
Sanford buys enough time in the 1v2 while TL took out Flap.
Oh my.
Woi, damage-nya sakit banget itu. Buset dah.
Help Sanji finish the job.
Orang pusing mau nyamperin Lord lawan TLPH guys.
Received. This Lord belongs to Liquid.
Go next, Sanford, perfect placement. Put himself in right bush mid. Waited for Ogwin and Kyle. Liquid read their rotations. This is the Liquid that just knows everything that's going on.
Yep.
They expect what you're gonna do next, and they already put themselves in the perfect place to
Jago banget ya.
answer it.
Rennie, I'm gonna have to agree with you, man. And I'm pretty sure some of the chat's saying it too. You know, ban the Paquito or take the Paquito away from Sanford.
Refresh.
Value and efficiency that he's having.
OBS-nya error tadi, OBS-nya error.
Is too much for TL right now.
Refresh
Even
guys.
again, you know, considering how do you get through all this? You have Purifies, you have to outplay them, but every single time they approach a fight,
Bang, dulu waktu masih
that started
jadi
up
pro
by
player,
that stun,
siapa yang di PH
you lose
abang
someone.
paling geter kalau ketemu sama XG dan siapa yang di lokal? Makasih bang. Di lokal siapa ya?
And he's supposed to be a tanky hero here with this, but when you're just
Bingung juga sih, nggak ada geter sih mas. Main aja, kenapa mesti geter?
Ogwin flickers back. Just to save
Tidak perlu geter atuh kalau main mah.
Carl Easy catches Haji. Crimson Beacon flicker back. Super Marco wailing away, taking care of the Lord. But Liquid will continue to push in, demolishing that mid lane inhibitor.
all right, base turrets still one stands for Team Falcons. They'll hold on to it, but TL
Oh, another gush.
Sakit
Carl Easy
banget, gila.
surges back,
Another stun.
and Ogwin gets
Wah,
picked up once more.
anjir,
Teddy is on
anjir.
a rampage.
Blessing duet.
Blazing duet from Marco plus the freeze. JP here flickers back. Go!
Hilang sama si God Ajek.
Appraiser's wrath of all Appraiser's wrath.
Kyle?
Taking down Marco. Kyle looking for more double kill for him. Kyle easy shot down. Kyle goes down. Knockout striking Haji versus 2. And there's the wipeout. The KDA machine gets 3 stacks.
The machine says, "Not in my house. We're not going down with a fight." I thought Carl Deasy
Wipe out ya, wipe out ya.
with that taunt.
Tapi udah untung banget dapat 2 turret.
Perfect to delete Marco in an instant. But then Falcons swing back with Kyle through Haji. Signs of life.
Kita harus
for
nunggu
the
Cloudnya
Falcons.
Malefican ini kalau mau enak ini. Dikit lagi sih itu si Super Marco.
Potentially trying to end the game off this push. Look at the replay here, how this planned out.
Winter Crown blazing duet when he gets out. The taunt is perfect, and with all the damage Carl Teasy took, it is an instant delete on the Claude. But Kyle went in perfectly.
Sky Pierce kah si Haji? Oh iya, Sky Pierce.
When they went for that initial push, he didn't have it. And then Falcons just countered through their juice in, which now has 3 stacks on the Sky Piercer.
A millisecond of hesitation would have led to this ending.
Udah tinggal wishing lantern nggak sih si Haji ini?
But Haji said,
Damage jahat.
not like this. From Red
Atau mau
side
Ice Queen
last
deh.
night,
Ice Queen juga enak sih lawan kayak ginian.
Game 4. No, game... Yes, game 4.
Game 4, yep,
Yeah,
game
they
4.
started to clap it back. This could be that.
Hey, Renmar, I think they just went with the, what we mentioned. They just got to play better. Well, when that team fight, they played better. But this is the problem.
Oh,
The
udah
Lord
concentrate
so
lagi hari
controlled
ini.
by Team Liquid. Does Team Falcons take that? Do they just defend and they're going to try to get a range here?
Haji looking for the choke out.
Bagus banget, gila, kena bola anjing.
Dream and they're a man down. Ogwin gets mounted by Daddy JP.
Oh, the timing
Gila,
of
itu kena
Mr.
bolanya Sanji,
Projectile
guys.
was on a point to take out Kyle.
Ogwin is out. It's a 3-man defense for Falcons.
Gila ya.
Smell it. Liquid are slowly galloping towards their base.
Endable.
Yep, they got a wave pushing in. They're going to try to defend.
Gush forcing out the Crimson
Bah.
Beacon and Sanford takes down Haji. The base is up next. Marco with a blazing duet. The Hail Mary play. Minions get one
Bah,
out, but Liquid
gila.
just like that. Liquid take another 2-0.